Hi and welcome to this new video on adding a recorder from Dynamic View. A new recorder can be added directly from the recorder's Dynamic View within Victor. To process this, select the Show All Items icon and navigate to the Recorder option. Select the new icon and then enter the IP address or domain name of the recorder. Next, enter the username and password for the recorder, and then select the Save icon. As can be seen on screen, the recorder has been successfully added, and you can also add recorders by right-clicking the Recorders menu in the device list and clicking New, and then enter the relevant information and select the Save icon.